to discuss how we control a wireless router. And this is the typical wireless router. It has two antennas. But some of the router, home router, they don't have wireless. They don't have antenna, but they also function well. And today, the router I like to use will be this Cisco E1200, and also this is Linksys. Linksys is a subdivision for Cisco. To control this router, in case you forgot your user's ID and password, then what you can do is you can click a reset button. Normally in the button of your router, or somewhere in your router, it should have a reset button. So what you do, if you click this one for about, say, 60 seconds, then after you do this, all the light will be on. That means it's already reset. And so once you say reset your router, okay, or in case you know your previous user's ID and password, then you don't have to reset. So then we will go to the computer. You will see down here. This one is trying to connect to wireless router. So in this case, we will try to choose, for this router, the name is Cisco A0742. So we will choose this one, and we will try to choose connect. In this case, I do not connect to the internet. Okay, then once you see this one, means we already connect. So we go to a browser. So for example, we go to Microsoft Edge. Since we do not connect to the router, then we will type HTTP. Then we will type this one. The IP address 192.168.1.1. Okay, then we'll give you a message. Today, the newest router, they will they have a wizard to set the router automatically, but we will use this one. Okay, so we will click this one. We will say see the inside setting of the router. Okay, give us a warning message, so we close this one. So this is the main menu for a Cisco router. And main menu, this is the main item: setup, wireless, security, access restriction, and administration, and also status. So you look on assignment 7C, then you will see the first page. What command does the instructor use in order to access a router? You simply type the IP address of the router. Okay. Then after you connect. Okay. And for this router, you can tell this router theoretically it can generate 192.168 and .1 from 0 to 255. But in this wireless router, we just limited the users to 50. So when the PC access to this router, and the router will assign an IP address to this computer. So, but because it's limited to 50, so the available IP address is from 100 to 149. Okay, then we will click wireless tab. Then you will see this one. In this case, we want to manually to control the router. So go to the second page. You will see what choice do you have on the network mode. So you click this one, you will see we have wireless N, G, and B. Okay, the choice. Certainly, this is wireless B and G only. So this is older router. The newer router we should have wireless AC. Okay, so we will choose wireless N. Okay, this one also tell you the name of the router is this one, Cisco A0742, and also this is also the whole network is SSID is the name of the router or name the whole network generated by the router. And also you see on the bottom this is SSID broadcast or enable or disable. Okay. Enable means when people they can find your router and on this menu when they do a search. But sometimes you want to disable. Disable means that the people they cannot find your name down here. Okay, because lots of hacker is a teenage. Okay. They just play for fun, so you don't want them to try to hack into your network. Okay, so let's go to wireless and also wireless security. Wireless security is for you to choose different kind of security mode. So let's go to page 3. You will see on the bottom, I'm sorry, not on the bottom, on the top, there's a different choice. Okay, but all this wireless security, they have two types. One is personal, one is enterprise. So personal means it for home user or for small business. Enterprise is a more medium size or large size company. Okay, so go ahead, write down this one, and then on page 3 on the bottom we will choose WEP. WEP is the weakest security mode. So when you choose this one, it gives you the warning message. You say OK, then give you another warning message. You say OK. Then you will see under the WEP, you have two types of encryption choice. One is 64 bits, one is 128 bits. Okay, so let's choose say 128 bits, and you can type a passphrase. Say for example, say this is my router. Then you hit generate, will give you the key. Then you will pass to the end user in case you want to access your router to use the internet. Okay, let's temporarily stop here. And also, we will skip the page 3, the last question.